Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw this cute bubble tea. So I'm starting off by drawing a thin rectangle shape. Beneath this I'm drawing another rectangle shape, getting a little bit thinner at the bottom. Another thin rectangle shape above the cup, and I'm adding the waterline, or like the tea line, and continuing the straw. I'm then adding two big circles for the eyes, and within these I'm going to draw one big circle and one little circle. Adding eyelashes, eyebrows and a smile, and some circles at the bottom for the bubbles. For each of the tapioca pearls I'm going to be adding a little face, and I'm having different facial expressions for each. Using a black fine liner, I'm outlining the eye, and I'm going over all the pencil line that we drew, and then using a black Sharpie we're going to colour in the eye, leaving the two circles white. Pause this video now and go ahead and blackline over all the pencil lines that you've drawn, and then use a rubber to rub out any of the pencil lines that are still left underneath. Using a turquoise Sharpie to colour in the straw. Using a baby pink Sharpie to colour in the drink. Brown pro marker to colour in the tapioca pearls. And to add shading, so I'm using a blue to shade the cup and all the white areas of the cup. Darker pink to shade in all the pink areas, and I'm always shading on the left side and the top and bottom. Green to shade the straw, and dark brown to shade the tapioca pearls. So I'm adding lines on the opposite side that you shaded. And there's the finished bubble tea. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!